In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT business analysis. Ask ChatGPT business advice. We'll turn ChatGPT into your on-call business analyst, marketer, and strategic planning partner. Start by briefly describing your business model, your customers, and the outcomes you care about. Then ask ChatGPT to run a SWOT analysis so it can lay out strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in plain language. Follow up by requesting ideas to solve operational and marketing challenges it identifies. You can ask it to prioritize issues by impact and effort and to flag quick wins versus long-term initiatives. Next, have ChatGPT analyze customer pain points and business risks. Provide common support questions or objections you hear, and ask it to group them by severity and frequency. With that context, prompt it to explore strategies for growth and competitive advantage, such as differentiation angles, pricing approaches, partnerships, or geographic expansion tailored to your situation. When you want marketing and sales advice, ask ChatGPT to create campaign concepts and a cohesive branding strategy that fits your voice and audience. Share your product benefits, seasonality, and budget constraints, then request a multi-channel plan with messaging themes, sample headlines, and simple timelines. Ask it to propose sales ideas and customer engagement plans across email, social, events, and direct outreach. Have it identify target audiences and market opportunities by defining ideal customer profiles and use cases. To improve promotional content and advertising approaches, get it to rewrite copy for clarity, propose hooks, and suggest variations you can test. For planning, ask ChatGPT to draft a concise business plan with sections for problem, solution, market, competition, go-to-market, operations, and risks. Request financial strategy ideas such as revenue streams, cost structure considerations, a basic break-even framework, and KPIs to monitor. If you're executing projects, have it create step-by-step action plans with milestones, owners, and success criteria. Use it to brainstorm product development and expansion opportunities aligned to customer needs, and to organize workflows and productivity systems so your team knows what to do, when, and how to hand off work efficiently. Finally, use ChatGPT to improve decision-making. Ask it to compare business models and market strategies side by side, outlining trade-offs and assumptions. Have it analyze trends and potential opportunities relevant to your niche and generate reports, summaries, and strategic insights quickly so you can save time on research and brainstorming. Iterate with clear prompts, provide only non-sensitive context, and request concise outputs or deeper dives as needed. With this approach, you'll move faster, think clearer, and act with confidence.